You have made an impact on the world.
I have the honor of presenting an award to RF's top fundraising corporate team partners this year. And due to their significant fundraising efforts, LLS is able to provide 1 award sponsoring T-cell lymphoma and 2 awards supporting AML research. I would like to call up to the stage our team captains for Partners for a Cure team: Dan Trinidad, Kurt Rocca, and Gary Orr.
My name is Kurt Rocca, and as you heard, we raised over $300,000. Even though these awards are being named in honor of Mindy and in honor of my father-in-law, Doug Hoggett, the reality is through the generosity and support of all the people who we all know, it's the friends, the family, the co-workers, everybody that steps up and supports all of us in this room that really makes it happen. We want to thank all of our Partners for a Cure team and everybody within the Greater Sacramento chapter for helping us to achieve this goal. And in our group, we had more than our share of rock stars, but there was one individual that really stuck out. And when we hit our $250,000 goal, we said, you know what, that's nice, that's 2 naming grants. But we think we still have some more in the tank. So we're going to keep working. And we looked out and we said, there's someone out there who's worked longer and harder than any of us. And wouldn't it be cool to be able to honor that individual by giving them the opportunity to have a research grant or someone who was that special to them? Mr. Mel Pratt, will you come up?